Morning everybody, welcome to Road Rodent Restore. I'm John. Welcome to my shed. Right then, so in this video I'm going to be working on my Ford Mondeo 2008 Mark IV 1800 diesel. Basically the cigarette lighter has stopped working, and it is quite essential to most people because they have dash cams like us, phone chargers, or all sorts of stuff. In the little handbook that you get with the Mondeo, it is not very clear on where the fuse is. There's two fuse boxes in the Ford Mondeo, and the most obvious one is underneath the bonnet near the battery, but that's not the right one. So let's go and explore and see if we can find the second fuse box. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay then, so the first thing we need to do is get into the car and plug in to the cigarette lighter our dash cam. Then we need to mount our dash cam to our window screen, because if you're like me, you do not leave it in the car because you don't want any broken windows. Then the next thing we need to do is switch on the ignition, but make sure it's in neutral, but we do not need to switch the engine on. And yes, as we already know, it doesn't work. So we are guessing that there is a blown fuse or some other loose wire, but first we will check for the blown fuse. Now this is the Ford Mondeo Edge 1800 diesel 2008. And in this car there are two fuse boxes. The obvious one is under the bonnet, as we know, but the other one is a bit more difficult to find. But if you go into the passenger side of the car and look down underneath the glove box, there is a cover which you will have to remove, and it's just above the footwell. Okay, so we just need to unscrew this little retainer. There should be two, one in the middle and one on the right hand side, but on mine one is missing. And then if we go to the front, at the left hand side, we can just pull this clip down and then the old cover will come away and you can move it to one side. Now we have to lie on the floor in the rain on our back and try to find the little turn tab which allows this secret panel to drop down. Once we have found the tab, just twist it and then the electrical panel will drop down, and you will see on the left side of the electrical panel all the relevant fuses. Okay, so on the electrical circuit board there is two lines of fuses. The one on the right we're not interested in. We need to go to the one on the left, and we need to start from the top, and we need to count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fuses. And the fifth fuse should be a blue 15 amp fuse. Now we obviously need to pull it out to examine it. But it looks like somebody has been in here before, because the fifth fuse down on mine is a yellow fuse, which is a 20 amp fuse. And yes, as we can see, it has blown. So I'm going to replace it with the proper blue fuse, which is the 15 amp. is a very tricky job, and you do need very thin fingers to do this. Okay, now we have broken our back trying to get the fuse in, we can go and check to see if our camera has come on. And presto, it works. So now we just have to do a reversal of what we have just done.